Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the weapon bob amount in System Shock 2. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the options, then we're going to go to the game tab and scroll down to weapon bob amount. So you have the slider down here, which you can adjust the weapon bob amount with. And what this means, the weapon bob amount, is when you're walking or running, your weapon goes up, down, side to side, so to simulate movement. And if you want to disable that, you just drag the slider down to 0. But if you want to just adjust it normally, you can use the slider to select whatever amount that you want. And once you've selected the amount, you can just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.